So from what I understand, these AI companies are actually buying like the Gaylords of books that were destined to be pulped anyway. They couldn't be sold, they just had to be gotten rid of, which this goes on constantly. But when you think about it, AI is something that basically nobody asked for, so none of us want that. And it's then being trained on the books that nobody wanted. So that's what we're producing, is this thing that nobody wanted, educated by all the stuff nobody wanted. Here's the worst thing we made. Now let's train it on the other worst stuff we made that we can't even get rid of.